Imagine just 5 years from now, you are stepping into the life of your dreams, retired and financially free. Sounds like a fantasy, especially on a modest income, right? Well, what if I told you that the legendary investor Warren Buffett's strategies could make this dream your reality? Yes, even with a low income. Today, we're diving into 9 straightforward steps to retire in just 5 years, inspired by the Oracle of Omaha himself. Grab a notepad because this could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Step number 1. Embrace Regality. Living below your means. Imagine living a life where every dollar you earn isn't just a fleeting visitor in your bank account, but a loyal shoulder, marching towards the grand goal of your early retirement. This vision begins with embracing Regality, a principle championed by none other than the investing maestro, Warren Buffett. Regality isn't about stinginess, it's about mastering the art of living below your means. Picture this. You're at a crossroads every payday. One path is paved with immediate pleasures, the latest tech gadgets, designer clothes, and fancy dinners. The other path, less traveled, is about strategic spending, where saving takes precedence over splurging. Here, each dollar saved becomes a vital brick in building your financial fortress. By adopting this frugal lifestyle, you're not just saving money, you're actively fueling your dream of early retirement. It's a journey of mindful spending, where financial freedom isn't a distant dream, but an achievable reality. Step number 2. Maximize your income. In the quest for early retirement, simply tightening the belt isn't enough. One must also look at expanding the wallet. This is where maximizing your income comes into play, a crucial step that turns the gears of your retirement plan faster. Think of it as planting more seeds in your financial garden. It's not just about the paycheck from your 9-to-5 job, it's about unleashing your potential to earn more. This could mean transforming a hobby into a side hustle, using evenings or weekends for freelance gigs, or even upskilling for higher paying opportunities. Consider the story of Emma, a school teacher who loves photography. She started doing weekend photo shoots, and soon her passion became a profitable venture. Every extra dollar earned was a step closer to her retirement dream. Maximizing income is about tapping into your unexplored talents and opportunities, turning them into streams that flow into the river of your retirement fund. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe and like button, as well as comment down how you are going to retire. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Step number 3. Learn and invest wisely. Step into the world of investing, where the rules of the game aren't set by the amounts of money you start with, but by the wisdom with which you play. This is the essence of learn and invest wisely, the crucial first step in your journey to early retirement. Picture yourself as a gardener. Just as a gardener learns about soil, seasons, and seeds to cultivate a thriving garden, you must understand the terrain of investments to grow your wealth. It's about delving into books, absorbing the wisdom in podcasts, and analyzing market trends. It's not about making random bets on stocks or jumping into investments that sound too good to be true. It's about informed decisions, understanding risks and rewards, and choosing investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Just like a well-tended garden yields a bountiful harvest, a well-researched investment strategy can grow your modest savings into a substantial retirement fund. Step number 4. Utilize tax advantage accounts. In the grand theater of wealth accumulation, taxes often play the role of the uninvited antagonist, silently chipping away at your earnings. But what if you could turn this foe into an ally? This is where utilizing tax advantage accounts makes a grand entrance, a pivotal move in your early retirement strategy. Think of these accounts as secret tunnels in the maze of financial planning, designed to protect your earnings from the grasp of taxes. By investing in 401ks, IRAs, or HSAs, You're not just saving for the future, you are smartly navigating the present. These accounts offer tax breaks either now or in the future, making each dollar you save more potent. It's like having a shield in a financial duel, where a portion of your income becomes invincible to immediate taxation. By leveraging these tax advantage accounts, you are playing the long game, ensuring that your retirement savings grow not just steadily, but also more efficiently. Step number 5. Develop multiple income streams. Imagine your financial security as a chair. Just as a chair needs multiple legs to remain stable, your financial future requires various supports for strength and resilience. This is the heart of developing multiple income streams. An essential step towards early retirement is about not relying solely on your primary job for income. Picture a mosaic of revenue sources, each piece contributing to the larger picture of your wealth. It could be a rental property providing steady monthly income, a side business turning your passion into profit, or investment in stocks and bonds yielding dividends. Diversification is key, like a skilled juggler. The more balls you keep in the air, the greater the chances of success. Each additional stream acts as a buffer against economic downturns, job uncertainties, or unexpected expenses, ensuring that your path to early retirement remains clear and achievable. Multiple income streams don't just build wealth, they build a fortress of financial security. Step number 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This step is like navigating through a silent zone. It's the discipline of not swaying to the tempting tune of spending more as you earn more. Picture this: every raise, bonus, or extra income is a feeling as a lifestyle upgrade. A bigger car, a grander house, or more luxurious vacations. Future retirement savings is like being on a boat headed towards the serene island of early retirement. Lifestyle inflation is the storm trying to push you off course. By resisting it, you ensure that every additional dollar isn't spent, but smartly saved or invested. It's the art of maintaining a steady lifestyle regardless of income spikes. Think of it as compound interest for your savings. Every avoided expense compounds over time, significantly boosting your retirement fund. In a world where consumerism shouts from every corner, mastering the whisper of regality is a superpower on your journey to financial freedom. Step number 7. The power of compound interest. This step is akin to discovering a hidden alchemist's formula that turns your savings into gold over time. Imagine planting a seed in your garden. Over the years, that single seed sprouts into a tree bearing fruit, which in turn contain more seeds. Each of these seeds grows into new trees, creating a lush orchard from a single seed. This is the magic of compound interest in the world of finance. Your initial investments and the returns they generate year after year don't just add up, they multiply. Each dollar saved and reinvested doesn't remain static. It grows, and then that growth fuels further growth, a cycle that continues, accelerating your journey to early retirement. It's a patient and persistent path, but the end result is a robust financial forest, offering you the shade of security and comfort in your retirement years. Step number 8. Stay informed and adapt. Embarking on this step is like being the captain of a ship on the vast financial ocean. In this ocean, the winds of economic change, market trends, and new investment opportunities are ever shifting. To navigate successfully towards the shores of early retirement, you must stay alert, informed, and ready to adjust yourselves. It means continuously educating yourself about financial markets, understanding global economic changes, and keeping abreast of emerging investment opportunities. But knowledge alone isn't enough. The key is to adapt, to apply this knowledge to your financial strategy. It's about being flexible, recognizing when to hold course and when to pivot. In a world where change is the only constant, your ability to adapt is a crucial skill. Staying informed and adapting isn't just a step, it's an ongoing process, a commitment to being a lifelong learner and a savvy navigator in the ever-evolving journey of personal finance. Step number 9. Set clear goals and stay disciplined. Embarking on the final leg of our journey, this step is the compass that keeps you on course in your voyage towards early retirement. Imagine you are embarking on a cross-country road trip without a map and clear destinations. You might drive aimlessly, wasting time and fuel. Similarly, in the pursuit of financial independence, setting clear, achievable goals is your roadmap. It's about defining what early retirement means to you, quantifying your financial target, and setting a timeline. But charting the course is only half the battle. The real challenge lies in the discipline to stay on this path. This discipline means making consistent contributions to your savings even when temptations back on. It's the resilience to stick to your investment plan through market highs and lows. In essence, disciplined goal setting transforms your dream of early retirement from a vague wish into a tangible, achievable reality. So, there you have it, folks. Retirement in 5 years on low income, made possible by following these simple yet powerful steps inspired by Warren Buffett. It's about making smart choices, investing wisely, and staying disciplined. Your path to early retirement starts today. The question is, are you ready to take the first step? If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.